In this video, we will install KAN CMS, and this is a downloaded version of KAN CMS. Now, copy the KAN CMS folder and browse to the XAMPP htdocs folder, or if using WAMP, to the WAMP www folder. Go ahead and paste a version of the downloaded KAN CMS. Launch your browser, access the KAN CMS. KAN CMS installation is a 4-step process. Step 1. Pre-install check. KAN CMS does system support check for required features. At step 2, it checks database connection settings. At step 3, it allows you to input site information and user details. And you finalize the installation at step 4. KAN CMS will do a system support check for required features. If any of the features for the required system set is disabled, KAN CMS will not function properly. At the recommended settings, KAN CMS will still function even if your settings do not match. A look at the required system settings shows all settings are enabled, and therefore we can continue to the next step. At step 2, you provide the name of the database with connection details. At the time of this video recording, KAN only supports MySQL database. Now, if your database requires a specific hostname, username, or password, go ahead and provide them. Provide the name of the database. On the next step, the database is installed. At the site configuration, provide the site name. The site name will be used by the site as a title. Now provide a site identifier. The site identifier should be simple, unique, and without spaces. Now provide the administrator email, username, and passwords for the system administrator information section. Now these details will be required later when logging into the CMS. I'll keep this default data and proceed to the next step. The KAN CMS installation is now complete. Here, you can view the default KAN website by clicking View your default KAN site. You can also click the View the KAN content management section to go to the CMS of the website. Now, click the View your default KAN site. The default site opens a new tab with one of the default KAN CMS themes. On clicking the KAN content management section, you have to delete or rename the KAN CMS install folder since it is no longer required. Also, the CMS section will not operate if it is still present. Now locate the install folder in the KAN CMS directory. Now you can delete or rename the folder, but I choose to rename the folder. Back to the browser and refresh the page, and voila, there we are. You can now log into the CMS with the administrator details you provided. That's all for KAN CMS installation, and thanks for watching.